Welcome to my new video.
Hello everyone, and welcome to my new video. And today I'm just going to be showing something really cool I just learned to do in Python. So, as you can see, that's just what it does.
Welcome to my new video.
Oh, that's not running the Python file, sorry. This is what it does.
Hi. Welcome to my new video.
Yeah.
Bonnie.
So that's what it does. And this is the code for it, which I did in Vim, which is my second favorite text editor. I use Vim for when I'm editing like little programs, and I don't have to if it's a tiny little thing I need to edit, I use Vim. If it's some huge project, I use Visual Studio Code because it's easier to like switch projects because you don't have to go like exit, enter again. Yeah. So what it does is it uses two modules called OS and Google Text to Speech library. So what it does is these two lines are important in the code. Then here it creates a function called say and passes one parameter. And then here, on the line underneath, it creates the voice, and it says text to whatever the user passes in, and then the language. You can change its language, and maybe when you want to edit something in Vim, you have to enter insert mode. So maybe if we try doing English US, maybe it might change something. I don't know.
Hi. Welcome to my new video.
So you